Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will be coming with a biggest upgrade in Samsung S series history. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So guys, we know the Galaxy S24 Ultra is going to be one of the biggest upgrade in terms of the design. We now have a titanium frame which is coming with a boxier design. But the next year S25 Ultra, which is still 6 months away from its expected launch date, but we already had several rumors about that particular device, and one of those rumors has been coming from a trusted leakster, S25, who has pointed out that the next generation S25 Ultra will be coming with a rounded corner instead of having a sharp corner. Well, if the leak is true, then this suggests that the boxy shaped design seen in the last few generations might be thing of the past, and hopefully Samsung does not adopt the Note 7 curved screen, because S25 pointed out that the round corners are going to be looking exactly as the Galaxy Note 7. Anyhow, I think that this could be a good design change, because the boxier design, although it's look great, but still it hurts in hand for most people. So having a rounded corner definitely give Samsung an edge in terms of the design, and it will be more comfortable device to hold in hand. And S25 also pointed out that the next Galaxy S25 Ultra will be coming with one of the biggest upgrade, which is the thickness of body is going to be around 8.4mm. By comparison, the S24 Ultra measures 8.6mm thickness, and this could make it one of the thinnest Galaxy Ultra model since the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, which was 8.1mm. Although that phone had a substantial camera bump on the back, so definitely if Samsung is bringing this thickness, then we can expect that a new camera sensor are going to be expected this year. Now, either way, if Samsung is doing that particular thickness, then we hope that Samsung isn't compromising on spec, durability or other features with this tweaked design. But it's not likely the company is opting for drastic thinner form factor though. Now, there has been also a news from leaks that S25 Ultra could get a 50MP 3x camera and a 50MP ultra wide lens. So it looked like we could see a substantial upgrade as far as the secondary camera are concerned. Now, as far as the S Pen, it is going to be available for the next year S25 Ultra, and Samsung is not opting that flagship feature which makes it distinguished from other flagship devices to be opt out. And you guys, we don't have any exact detail of how the device is going to be looking alike, but a concept based render has been appeared online which give us a pretty much good idea what to expect from next year S25 Ultra round corner design. Special announcement for the Unpacked event, where we are going to see the Galaxy Z Fold 6, Z Flip 6, Galaxy Watch Ultra, the brand new Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, and surprising addition, the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition. This is going to be one of the most stacked Samsung Unpacked event ever, happening on July 10th live in Paris. And in fact, Samsung has upped the stake even more when it comes to their promotional gifts. This time around, they are not only giving you a $50 credit by clicking in the link in the description, but also you will get a $1,500 Samsung credit that you can use for any of your Samsung purchase, as well as a chance to win a $5,000 Samsung credit, which you can use to buy even more Samsung products. Again, links are in the description down below, so you can check out that. And you guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about Samsung plans for the next year S25 Ultra? Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.